to 6 more days later.
I cannot believe I defeated the Yopworm. Rafer, you built our house, and then what happened? I moved it into a tramper houseboat.
Can I see it? Can I see it?
Look! What do you think? Oh, good thinking, Wafer. D, Dalia, you, Prickles, and the guards will get on your tramper, and we'll sail across the salty seas. We'll get to the big race and wait for 2.2. Come on board.
Hey, Prickles, can you give me a fast ride again? It is so fun. Dalia, thank you for asking me. I will give you a fast ride again, since you like going backwards. Hooray! Yeah! Woohoo! See you tomorrow at the race. Whee!
Child 11, we have something that you always wanted. Huh? Yes! I finally found my own boat and sailed through the race until 2.2 is here. Guards, don't forget my worms and one butterfly. Don't panic, they're already on the boat. Huh? Oh, there they are. You worms and butterfly are following me?
Yes, we sure did. And with the help of that, I'd like to thank you for saving us. And look, Wafer is coming to say something to you.
Toddler 11, you did an awesome job, my pal. You defeated the Alaskan Yopworm, and I showed you a house and stayed there 10 days ago. And as for you, Toddler 11, I'd like to thank you for defeating the Alaskan Yopworm, so you deserve a trophy. Yes! I won the battle in first place! Congratulations, you won the battle. And you, I have a surprise for you at your boat. My old friends! Hi, Dee. Hi, little boy. Hey there, my dude. I haven't seen you for a long time ago. Yeah. And hi, old man. Are you going to watch the big race until 2.2 comes out? And as for you, lad, you follow the boat for the big race. Actually, my old man can follow the boat. Rafer, come on. I'm coming. Hey, Alkali. What did you do for this week?
Spy Gaming.
Oh boy, here we go again.
There you are, Dalia. And just in time, I'm gonna give you a little secret.
Here you go, Lola. More bread for you.
We're gonna eat something healthy, guys.
Ace and Princess Wonderful? I love that idea. Pizza! Well, that is that. I found my boat with my old friends. We are going to the big race, and then 2.2 will be here.
Yes, I will be in the race. Yeah, me too, Toddler 11. Yay, me 3.
Okay, guys, you can join the race today. Oh, it's time for the big race, old man.
What?
I said it's time for the big race. Follow the big ship. Wafer, whenever you, me, and others will be great. The race begins tomorrow morning. Acolyte, I want you to meet the manager, Diego Zucai.
Come on out. Oh, that's perfect. You're gonna be ready for the 2.2 race tomorrow.
Let's go!